Greetings everyone. I am Bonus Sekagarama, an applied statistician specializing in data analytics and research design. I'm here to help you master data analytics using Python. If you encounter any challenges or have any questions regarding this course, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to support you on every step of the way. Let us embark on this exciting journey of knowledge and exploration together. Thank you. In session 4 of this series, we discussed on the creation of dependent charts. In this lesson, session 5, we will learn how to download online datasets and import them to Jupyter Notebook for data exploration and analysis. Searching and downloading online datasets and importing them to Jupyter Notebook. We can find datasets on various websites and platforms that provide free and open datasets for a variety of fees and purposes. Here are some popular sources. Google Datasets, UCI Machine Learning Repository, Google Dataset Search, data.gov, GitHub, AWS Public Datasets, the World Bank Open Data. By using these platforms, you can search and import various datasets into your Python environment for analysis. Let us choose this platform or this website, data.gov, to download the dataset of our interest. Before downloading the dataset, we can create the folder in which we will save our downloaded dataset. Create the folder in the document. Let us call our folder Session 5A. This is our folder in which we are going to download our dataset, in which we are going to save to include our dataset, download the dataset. So after creating the folder, we find Google, Chrome, so write data.gov in Google, click on the dataset. This platform, data.gov, has got 301 and 43 datasets. There are numerous datasets in this platform. There is electric vehicle population data. It is a CSV file. FDIC Fed Bank List. Dynamic Small Business Search. Crime data from 2020 to present. Dynamic Small Business Search. Crime data from 2020 to present. Supply chain greenhouse gas emission factors. Lottery Powerball with winning numbers beginning 2020. Award exploration tool, national basic by state. So all of these are various datasets. You can see this page. It is only one. So if you go to 2, you can find a lot of datasets. So let us 2, 3, 4, and so on. This platform has got a lot of datasets. So let us go back to 1 and let us choose national obesity by state. So our dataset of interest is national obesity by state. It's a CSV file. Open it. You can see how the data look like. This is a CSV. Okay. Save as. Okay. Saving. We first of all find our folder session 5. Session 5A, and then file name. Let us call it National Obesity Survey. So our CSV file is now renamed to National Obesity Survey. It is saved in the folder session 5AA. Open save. Okay. Our folder now, session 5AA, has got the data file or the dataset named National Obesity Survey. So we are going to import our dataset into a Jupyter notebook. Go to search engine. Look for Jupyter. Click Jupyter. Go to Documents to look for your folder, where your folder is located. Search for your folder, session 5AA, session 5AA. Open it. So within this folder, session 5AA, there is the National Obesity Survey dataset. So this is one file within this folder, session 5. We can create another file, the second file, within the same folder. The second file, go to New, Python 3. So this is another file we are opening, we are creating within the same folder. Okay. The file, we can rename it. Okay, untitled here. Click untitled, and then we can call it commands and results. Rename. After renaming our file, we have got 2 files within the same folder. It's National Obesity Survey and the commands results and the commands results. So here, this is a command window. We are going to import our data frame or our dataset. For importing the dataset, we first of all import pandas library
import pandas as pd run. This pandas is for importing and exporting the data frames. It has also got other statistical functions. Okay, after importing our pandas library, we can import our data frame. To import the data frame, we first of all give it a name. For instance, let us call it obesity underscore survey. Equal, bring your library pandas dot read CSV, because our dataset is a CSV file. And then within inverted commas here, we can import our dataset. To import the dataset, we first of all import the location of our folder. Go to the folder. The folder is in the document. It is called session 5 AA. Open it, and then this is our survey, National Obesity Survey. Right click, go to Properties, Location. This is our location of our folder. Copy the location of the folder. Go back to your Python. Paste your location here. This is C, users, NSL documents, session 5AA. And then backslash. After importing the location of your folder, import the data frame or the dataset. Go back to your folder here. Right click, Properties. Now, this is the location you imported. Next, you are going to import your dataset. Copy. Your dataset is that has got extension as CSV. Go back to your Jupyter notebook. Include your data frame or dataset. .csv. Now run. As you run, this is the error message, syntax error, Unicode error. If it is Unicode error, make it double backslash. Double backslashes. Run again. Then execute your data frame. It's limited to 3 rows. Looking the size of the data frame. Bring your data frame, name of the data frame, obesity underscore survey, dot shape. Here, your data frame has got 52 rows and 5 columns, or 5 variables. Let us create a table of obesity by region. You see the name of states, obesity by state. So obesity is the continuous variable. You can see it is measured in a body mass index. It is a quantitative variable. And the name of the state is a categorical variable. So to create the table of a categorical variable and a quantitative variable, we use pivot table. E dot pivot table data equal bring your dataset name, data equal to the dataset name, comma, index equal bring your categorical variable, which is name of the state. Then values equal bring your quantitative variable, obesity. These are values of obesity, values of a quantitative variable, which is obesity. Comma, because you need to find the mean to appear at your table, add aggregate function equal np, this is numpy dot mean you need to add the average total in a column. Margins equal true, comma, margins name equal total. Then we run our command. Let us see. There is the error message. Name NP is not defined. So this is numpy library, meaning that since we have created this table, a pivot table, we should have imported the library called numpy. Import numpy as np. So we only imported the pandas to import the data frame, and to create the table, the pivot table, we have also to import another library called numpy. So run. So you can see now, numpy was lacking, which is this. So we imported it. This is average obesity by state. Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, and so on. And this is the average total in all states. For all states, the average total is 29.3 BMI, body mass index. Here, (25, 29, 28, 34). So let us make it ascending, the values of obesity to appear as ascending. So we sort our values of obesity to make the table look more clear. PD, we can use another command here, dot pivot for data equal, bring your data frame, the name of your data frame, comma, index equal, bring your categorical variable, which is name of the state, name of the state, name of the states, comma, values, bring values equal, also bring your quantitative variable, which is obesity, values of obesity. Dot sort values. You are now going to sort the values of obesity by state. Dot sort values obesity, comma, ascending. Ascending equal false. Execute. You can see now the average obesity by state is in ascending order. The maximum is 36.2, which is Louisiana, and the minimum is 20.2, Colorado. Interpretation, how to interpret these findings of obesity. If your body mass index is between 18.5 and 24.9, it falls within health weight, meaning that here this is 20, 23 up to 24.5. So these states, Colorado, District of Columbia, Hawaii, Montana, California, Massachusetts, Utah, they don't experience overweight range. They don't experience overweight. Okay. They are healthy. No, there is neither overweight nor obesity. If the body mass index is between 25 and 29.9, the person falls within overweight range. Now, between 25 and 29.9, so starting from New York up to Alaska, all of these states experience overweight. They are in the overweight range. If the body mass index is greater or equal to 30, it means that the person falls within the obese range. States that experience obese range, meaning that the whose body mass index is greater than 30. It is from minus 30, so minus state is in the range of obese. Minus up to Louisiana. So all of these states experience obesity. Okay, so urgent intervention is needed for the states that experience overweight and obesity. Our interest was not computing the statistics, but we did it some of statistics. Our main interest was searching, downloading, and importing the online datasets. So we saw how to download or to search and download the dataset, which is the CSV. It is the same way you can download Excel file and the other formats. Now, the dataset we used here, it is a downloaded dataset. You saw where it came from. I will also attach it in my descriptions for your practice. You can open it, go to my description, open the dataset I attached, practice. You can also go to the online platforms I showed you, and then download any dataset of your interest for practice or for your research. Now, thank you for paying attention. If you are interested, subscribe. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share. And then we'll meet for the next session. Thank you. Have a great time.